The Khasi Authors Society, in collaboration with the Department of Arts and Culture, on the 18th of December, commemorated the 81st death anniversary of Sosotham at the Conference Hall of St. Anthony's College in the presence of the Speaker, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah, Professor D.R.L. Nonglat, President of CAS, Dr. Davinson Dingdo, Principal of Jaintia Eastern College, as well as the family members of late Sosotham. Speaking as the chief guest on this day, Metbah acknowledged the contribution of Sosotham to the literature of the Khasi Jaintia people, while also expressing pride and joy on seeing many students doing well in the Khasi subject. The speaker also expressed distress over the many Khasi words which are starting to die out, as not many amongst the Khasi speak the Khasi language anymore. But he at the same time also expressed hope derived from the presence of many schools and universities which are continuing to keep the Khasi language alive. On the other hand, Metbah applauded the attempts of the Khasi Authors Society to preserve the language will be benefit not only to the present generation but will also help the future generations. At the same time, he said that as a leader in the state, he will pay utmost attention towards the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. On this day, Metbah also distributed awards to 40 meritorious students who had secured good results in the Khasi subject at different levels of the studies.
Engage camp bagi kursiu kijai sim lam ni kena bentar om tang Khasi Authors Society ya gai ke ba uni melung ulah pruda baru don kijing angor ke don sibon ki poetry don sibon ki jingeto kana don sibon ki kot ki ba la tho lengba dau niu ramba dau niu melung habang ia pulih di kot kidon katu kan ni kiba lapasak jemut jadi hakan ke jumpa ke pol pemerintah ya ka bang ide ka ban perkhat jeliu ya ka bang ide ban perkhat jeliu hoi ke power sok ram ko in transition bulale na gibe ki kot pare lege jitli kalong hang ni balai ko Sosotham open khala Khasi ya ka power sok balai translate tang ini kot, balai translate kiwe pat kot, kiba ngaso orang ini berbu ya kecil, ngai kebun di kot, kiba thok dah kiwe kinong thok kot, hakiwe bagi kecil, ngai melong Sosotham ula sim, ya kan kot ban penkela siaga tim Khasi kejumi. Kenapa mangi nginyo ban pulih dalam tu pol ko mensuang iba ngalasi tin Khasi lani ngamlan tin ata tin Khasi kalong kaktin ke bayakan paiba bro lani berkeren barang at pol kalong nyuma tang katu bakkan ni percentage pulau bu ia kena gini tho tin Khasi kalong bagandon ke jimentoy nak bentah katu kapaten bat ini kapaten ke banwang bat kan longru sebentar kajin pernah ia ketin Khasi gedungi kebangi ia keren menduk mene haga badai bat kajin itu ia kabuka autonomous territory bat kunjuk susu nak bentah kumno ia kaban pendung ia ka haga kenit ke bapra lagi kata itu nagarin juga personally ngaso bagani kalong kebakban ya kebang ide ya keban penolong hoi nilewat jintip bat kadang ni ini ya keba ngindang ya budin nak benta kene